fading, fade out and cross fading. Now let us learn how to fade in Audacity. First select the track, then go to the effect menu, then select the fade in option, click on that. Fade in is applied to selected audio. It will gradually increase the sound from silence to its original volume. A fade in is often applied over a very short audio, 3 to 5 seconds. The shape of the fade is linear, so it is appears as a straight line from beginning to end. The speed of the fade in depends entirely on the length selected for the fade. Now let us listen the audio. User may get a more musical result by applying a linear fade 3 times to the same audio selection. Now let us how to add fade out to the given audio. First listen audio. User going to convert how to do fade out to this audio. First select this audio, then go to the effect option, then click on fade out. So when fade out is applied to selected audio, it will gradually decrease the sound from its original volume to silence. A fade out is often applied to a longer selection than a fade in, typically to a selection up to about 10 seconds long. So now let us listen this fade out audio. This is the result of a fade out audio. Cross fading. So here is 2 audios. Now let us listen. The second audio is the first audio is a tabla and second audio is a violin. So now I am going to give cross fading. So now let us add together. First I am going to give one fade in option to tabla. I am going to select that tabla audio, go to the effect, and I am going to click on fade in option for tabla. So after that next I am going to select violin and I am going to effect option and now click on fade out option. So these two files are togetherly join at once. That I need tool is time shift tool. Then I am going to select the tabla section. After that selecting time shift tool, togetherly I am going to add these two. After that I am going to select these two and zooming. Now I am going to play this audio. Listen. This is called a cross fading. Now let us do differently. Now I am going to give fade out to this tabla option, fade into violin, join together. Now let us play this audio, cross faded audio. So this is what cross fading audio. So we user can create a cross fading audio effect when user want to smooth transitions between two sequential events like a tabla and violin as two events one after another, end of song and cheering of the crowd. A crowd fade is essentially both fade out and fade in occurring simultaneously to two separate tracks. The first track slowly fades out and the second one is fade in. Many songs use fading techniques to great effect when starting or ending or particular parts in the song. The same goes for video. It's useful to be able to fade into a crowd's cheer or fade out of an original audio source in favor of a narration of some kind. Crossfading is valuable because it allows these changes to happen quickly without being jarring, without introducing silence, and while sounding smooth and more natural. DJs often use this technique while matching beats of two different songs to produce a continuum of sound, while editors often use crossfade to make the introduction of a different sounds component sound less sudden and more natural. Now let us listen once.